In this period, we do the Falanghina, Greco, and Fiano, all white grapes.
White grain.
And then by the end of October, the beginning of November, we're starting to do the Aglianico. It takes exactly 1 month after the launch.
Do you have grape stumping also in here?
Sorry?
A grape stumping.
No, we don't.
You don't do that?
Now we don't put anymore.
Those are the old ways.
As you can see, the first on 2 levels. The first one over there, where the grapes is brought.
Ang ganda rito ng barrels, bro.
Barrels. Sabi mo kay Moy.
Okay na. Bro, they sell barrels over here.
Still a lot of barrels.
Basically, where the wine comes in it and goes straight to the steel container. In this case, we have.
Wow. These are all numbers.
So Gregory, we got Nancio it, 1992 of it. Gregory Tupo, and then Fiano, Greco,